Alright folks, so it's Yat Kean here from Ground. So Toyota actually also brought the bZ4X behind me here for a review. So come on, let's go and check out this bZ4X as well. Wow, it looks really solid, really nice. So this is the Toyota Charger. I think it looks cool. Man, look at that. Doesn't it look cool? So here is the charging area of the bZ4X. And check out the interior, look at that. Look at that.
Step into a revolution of speed.
Looks really cool.
Breaking records.
So here you can see is the rear of the bZ4X. Check out that out. So cool. Alright, so let us just check out the rear space first. Wow, look at that. Nice. Real air conditioning, Type-C chargers as well. Whoa, look at the back space. That's looking cool. Very nice. Cool sitting area. Nice. Look at the finishing as well. Very nice. So here is the driver's seat as well.
Sorry. Big screen one. Yeah. Android. Okay.
How do you feel? How do you feel about the car?
Best.
Very nice, right? They should start selling here, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
SUV design, right?
Yeah. Even the display so big.
Oh.
Huge. Wow.
Comfort.
Yeah.
Seat pun bucket. Dia fit body, fit body.
Feels like a Lexus up.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, so basically that's a quick walk around on the Toyota bZ4X in Malaysia. Amazing thing that they have brought over here for the early preview session. Not too sure whether they are going to sell or not, but yeah, hopefully they will do something about it with the Toyota bZ4X electric vehicle. So what do you think? Do you think they should quickly start selling it? Well, for me, I think they really should start selling the bZ4X in Malaysia because as you can look, there's good feedback from the visitors and attendees as well. So hopefully we go and see what is UMW Toyota Motor is going to do. So yeah, I still find it stunning, truly stunning car. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wrap things up on this video over here. And if you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go and subscribe and follow us on the social media. Last but not least, head to the website, go and read all the latest news happening and so on. And I'll see you guys in the next one.